Hello, Maysa here from Engineer Maysa channel. Welcome to Level 3 from Microsoft Excel course for beginners. This video will be the third video in this course. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to check all of the levels for this tutorial. Let's start and check out topics that will be included on this level. First thing I want to talk about to save you some time in Excel is auto-filling sequence. Let's say we want to write days of the week and you don't need to type them each time. So if I just type the word Sunday, now Excel knows how to help you and save your time. If I just click on this handle here and drag down, you can see that the weekdays are just show off. And from my last levels in this course, remember, if the data inside the cells does not fit, just double click up here and adjust everything to fit. And if you just go to this cell and start typing Sun, Excel also knows that these are short names for the weekdays. And now drag it down. You can also use this for months. So if I type January in long form or short form and pull it down, it will give you months of the year. If I give Excel a pattern, Excel will guess what's coming next. So if I put 1 and then I put 2, Excel will knows that increment is increasing by 1. Now you need to make sure you highlight both cells and drag down. Other example, if I have 5, then 10, and make sure to highlight both cells and then drag down, you can see that Excel recognizes the pattern. You can also do this with numbers and drag it up. It will just copy the same data over and shows negative number. So those are just quick tips for autofill. If you need to create a custom autofill list, check this out. If you have a list as showing here, and you wanted to create autofill to save time, this is how we do it. First, select the list. Go to File, then Options. Then go to Advanced, and then scroll to the bottom, and now click to edit a custom list. This window will show, and I'm going to add them one by one. Or you can import them. So if you have the data typed up, I'm going to click to this button. And then go to the list and highlight and hit enter. Then hit import. You can see the data in, and now click OK. So now I'm going to start typing the first data in the cell. You can see that as I drag down, it autofills with the list you created. That will save your time if you are typing the same list over and over again. To show you the sort feature in Excel, I need this table. You can download it from the link down in the description box. So I need to highlight the list and I'm going to sort this. First, I'll show you the quick sort. If I click to the A to Z, it will put all the data in alphabetical order and all the numbers stayed correctly with it. And the other quick option is Z to A. And now I'll use the third option, which is custom sort. So when I click to custom sort, I have some options here. Notice that my data has header. Make sure to choose this option. Go to sort by and choose from the options. I'm going to choose by sales. And I want to leave the sort on option on values. If I want it largest to smallest or smallest to largest. And then OK. And now, if I want to sort by sales first and then sort by country, to do this, I'm going to select the table and then go back up here. Go to custom sort. As you can see, we have one level here. I can add another level. For the second level, I'll choose sort by country and order from A to Z. I just showed you how this sort feature works. So now I'm going to show you filter option inside Microsoft Excel. Now I'm going to use the same data. I'm just going to highlight where I want the filters. Just throw here and then go up to sort and filter options and then click to filter. And now you can see all these drop downs are added to above each one. If I open this drop down list, you can see everything is selected. And if I want to see one of the things, deselect everything. It will filter everything based on what I choose. Now I'll show you how to do some custom filters. Go to drop down list under any of these cells. As you can see, I can pick filters by color. So I'll choose green color. All cells with green color only shows. And now, anytime you want to clear filters, you can go back up to here and choose clear option. And everything goes back to normal. And if I go back and pick to filter from number filters option, if I pick greater than, so I could put a number in between a number. Let's see which one are above average. So when I click to it, it will show me the ones above average. That's all for this video, Level 3 for Microsoft Excel course for beginners. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.